Okay, so this isn't exactly a smartphone or a new laptop, but hear me out. This smart self-cleaning cat litter box might just be the most life-changing gadget I've encountered this year, especially if you're a cat owner. Let's talk about the basics. This thing is big, boasting an extra-large 12L capacity and interior dimensions of 17.7 x 17.7 x 19.7 inches. It can handle cats up to 17.6 pounds, so even larger breeds should be comfortable doing their business inside. The gray and white design is fairly neutral and should blend in with most home decor. The real magic happens with the automatic rolling drum system. After your cat exits, it waits 3 minutes and then gets to work. The multi-layer filtration system claims to separate waste with 99.7% efficiency. Honestly, watching it in action is kind of mesmerizing, and it seems to do a pretty thorough job. Odor control is another big win. The 360-degree sealed design really does a great job of containing smells and preventing litter from being scattered all over the place. Plus, the enclosed structure gives your cat some privacy, which they seem to appreciate. One of my biggest concerns was noise, but the cleaning mechanism is surprisingly quiet. It operates at less than 35 dB, which is barely a whisper. It definitely won't disturb your sleep or interrupt your Netflix binge. Now let's get to the smart part. This litter box is Wi-Fi enabled and has iOS Android app support. You can choose between auto and manual operation modes, and even set up a sleep mode for customized cleaning schedules. The app is fairly intuitive and easy to use. The build quality seems solid, with durable plastic construction. It weighs 26.5 pounds, so it's not something you'll be moving around frequently. But overall, it feels well-made and designed to last. Honestly, the biggest selling point here is the convenience. Never having to scoop litter again is a game changer. It frees up time and eliminates a chore that nobody enjoys. So is it worth the investment? If you're a cat owner who's tired of scooping litter, absolutely. This smart self-cleaning litter box is a well-designed, effective, and convenient solution that will make your life a whole lot easier. It's not the most glamorous gadget, but it's definitely one of the most practical.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.